Hey, hope everyone's having a fantastic day. Today's video is 3 meals a day on a high sugar, moderate fat diet to stay shredded. And I started off my first meal at 1 p.m. It was a big bowl of watermelon and a big bowl of cherries. Nice and hydrating, good way to start it out. Then my second meal I had was at 4 p.m. I put together a smoothie. This had 2 dates and 1 cup of frozen blueberries, a packet of acai, a half a cup of almond milk and a half a cup of coconut water and a spoonful of natural peanut butter and 4 frozen ripe bananas that I thawed in hot water for about 4 minutes to get them out of the peel. And there's the smoothie, super delicious and satiating. Then my third meal was at dinner. I had started off at 7 p.m. with a bowl of strawberries. Then I had veggie tofu stir fry over rice and Dave's bread with an avocado on top and some seasonings. And then for dessert, I had a little bit of raspberry licorice. So that was it for the day. Thanks for watching. Make sure you check out my plant-based recipe ebook in the description box. I have some delicious recipes. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think. Subscribe for more videos. Hope everyone has a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.